Hi, I'm Mayor Shari Cantor. If you've noticed more people out walking or running with reflective neon bands, you are not imagining things. West Hartford is committed to making our streets safer for everyone, and that includes protecting pedestrians. We're here on a nice bright day, but did you know that 75% of pedestrian deaths happen in the dark? These reflective bands help make walkers and runners more visible to drivers and cyclists, especially at night or in low light conditions. Simple steps like putting on a reflective vest or turning on your cell phone flashlight can help prevent serious injuries and save lives. You might notice there are more blinking crosswalks, which we call rapid flashing beacons. When possible, use crosswalks when crossing the street. This is the safest way to cross the street. Do not step between cars or cross mid-block. Drivers cannot see you. We're all in this together. Always remember, if it takes a minute or two longer to arrive at your destination, it is well worth it when everyone is safe. You can pick up a reflective band at any West Hartford Public Library or Town Hall. Just another way we're looking out for each other. This effort is part of West Hartford Vision Zero Action Plan, which supports safe, healthy, and equitable mobility for all. Vision Zero is a national initiative aimed at eliminating traffic-related deaths and severe injuries. Mistakes on the road happen, but as a community, we can make sure they don't cost someone their life. Learn more and take the safety pledge at westhartfordct.gov/Vision Zero. Let's make West Hartford safer and more walkable for everyone. Thank you.